Since it's inauguration day, it is not better I come out from my car like a VIP so I can be in the inauguration spirit for tomorrow. And today I don't really have much to say or anything. I don't have much to say. As you can see, I came out of a black Camry like a VIP. That is how they will be coming down from the cars tomorrow in Abuja as VIPs for the inauguration. So what you need to do now is to watch this video. I don't know if you have seen this video of what the senior advocate of Nigeria has to say about President Muhammadu Buhari. Watch this video of Mike Ozekhome. Watch it carefully. Don't forget, don't see it alone. Share this video so this video can go around. Let everybody see what is happening. Because I've been saying this thing and people don't want to know that this is what is happening. So share this video. As you can see where I came. I came to a field to come and do this video so you can see it. Share this video, watch this video, listen to what Mike Ozekhome has to say.
Listen to this. 2 weeks ago, the president went to the Senate, to the National Assembly, and said, I want to borrow $800 million. What's calculated there? 800 million times 760. Can somebody do that? 800 million. 800. They put 60 times 760. That is what the Buhari administration told the Senate 2 weeks ago. They want, oh, Senate said, Mr. Yes, Senate. Mr. Yes, sir. Senate said, oh, approved. To do what with that money? In the twilight of your going, they have just approved over 400 billion. They say payment of judgment debts. Who are the judgment creditors? Have you not seen these judgment creditors in the last 8 years? These are parting gifts for the boys. Nobody is deceived. If everybody is, I am not. Then the same president went to the Senate 3 weeks ago and said, we want to borrow. Yeah, thank you. Do you know how much that is? $800 million is 608 billion naira. 608 billion naira. With that amount, every state of the 36 states in Nigeria can have a first-class hospital fully equipped that will never allow any Nigerian to leave the shores for treatment abroad. Do you hear me? Are you hearing me? The same federal government 3 weeks ago went to the Senate and said, give us 22.7 trillion naira as ways and means loans. Ways and means 22.7 trillion naira. I thought another government is supposed to come in on the 29th of May. Is today not 26? Abi? Is it not on Monday? So, haven't borrowed money for our generations yet unborn. Haven't sold our yesterday. Haven't mortgaged our today. Why are you against selling our tomorrow? Why are you borrowing? What do you mean by ways and means? 22.7 trillion naira. Wait for it. It's not yet ended. It's not yet ended. On again, few weeks ago, the federal government again got approval from the National Assembly to borrow 819.54 billion naira. They call it domestic loan to fix infrastructure. Domestic loan to fix infrastructure. Which infrastructure? When are you going to fix it? I thought you are going in the next few days.
Kai, you have heard it. You heard everything he said. Did you hear everything he said? Now what they do is that they look for a name and they tag the money. I don't know, Kai. It breaks my heart when I watch this video. I was so pained. Wallahi, I was angry. The way they do the puns. Look at how people are suffering. And they are busy cleaning all this money. You are leaving office tomorrow. Look at what you are doing. Look at what you are doing. Kai! Wallahi, I watched this video. My whole body is weak. I don't know about you. if you are feeling the same way I'm feeling, because I am feeling very bad. You hear the senior advocate, you see the anger in him, see the way he is angry. He is very angry, more than me. Because if I'm doing this thing, I'm complaining. People think I'm the only one that is complaining. But look at Mike Ozekhome, a senior advocate of Nigeria, complaining bitterly. You see it for yourself. President Muhammad Buhari, you are leaving and you are doing all these things to us. We want to say a very big thank you to you for all you have done to us. We say thank you for everything you did to us. We leave you and God. Kai! This video break my heart. See the way the man is breaking it down. Even as I play this video now, for you to see, some people will watch this video and say Mala Shaibu and Mike Ozekhome don't have sense. I agree I don't have sense. I don't know of Mike Ozekhome, but me, I agree I don't have sense. Is there a video you've seen me say I have sense? No. But I'm the spice creator. I bring this news to you for you to see it. It will be selfish of you. You see this kind of information, you don't share this video. Share this video for everybody to see what is happening. I'm the spice creator. That's why I'm doing it. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.